Hello friends. So I have two big YouTube channels. The other one I'm talking about entertainment, and the other one I'm talking about how to make money online, which is this one that you're watching right now. But the difference in how much I'm making from each channel is insane. So right now I'm going to take you to my dashboard so you can see the difference that I'm making from each channel on my YouTube channels. So as you can see, this video I posted on my entertainment channel, it got more than 70,000 views. You can see here a lot of views that this video generated, but it only made me $7 from this amount of views that I received. And you can see this as too many views, but it only made me $7 from this video. The very funny thing about this is that I posted this video on my entertainment channel and it received not a lot of money. $7 is really not enough amount of money. But if this channel that I'm talking right now, that I talk about how to make money online, on this channel, if I could have posted a video and it received the same amount of views, this video could generate more than $1,000 and help me to pay for my rent for more than 3 months or 4 months. So in this video, I am going to show you, if you are thinking about creating a YouTube channel, or if you already have a YouTube channel and you want to switch your niche, right now I'm going to show you the best niche that can pay you reasonable amount of money, can pay you really well on a YouTube channel. So let's now dive in and see all these profitable niche that you may consider starting posting about this niche and start making a reasonable amount of money. So right now, let's dive in and see all this profitable niche on YouTube in this year 2025. Alright, so insurance and loans. I know it may sound very boring, but I'm gonna show you this video that I posted on my YouTube channel. And of this video, I was actually talking about how to get loans on this website and all that. This video got only 400 views, as you can see here, but it generated more than $26 for only 400 views. You can see this is a very profitable niche. So if you're ready to talk about insurance and how to get loans and anything related to loans, and if you want to talk about that and post on a YouTube channel, YouTube is going to pay you at least $48 per 1,000 views, so that your RPM can be around $48 up to $58 just by one video. And having more than 1,000 views, that means you can get more than $58 per one video if you reach 1,000 views. So this is a very profitable niche, and I really encourage that you may want to go ahead and start posting about insurance and also about how to get loans and all this loans website and all that. So let's move to the next one. Next on the list, we have personal finance and investment. So let's say that you really want to talk about finance on your YouTube channel, you really want to talk about investment. So let's say that you post a video on your YouTube channel explaining like how to budget your monthly salary. So video like this, anything related to finance, they get a reasonable amount of money, because there are a lot of companies which are very rich companies. They may be considered to press their ads on your video. And video like this, if you get 1,000 views, you will be in a position to make $15 up to $17. And the RPM of video like this is always around $15 up to $20. So if you're really interested on finance and investment, you may consider start posting video about finance and explaining about budget things and all that. Topics like this on YouTube, they get reasonable amount of money. So if you're really interested on this, you may consider to go ahead and start posting a video about crypto, on how to save, how to budget your monthly salary, stocks and investment. All of this can get you reasonable amount of money, because the RPM is always high for any topics related to finance. So let's go to the next one. Alright, so next on the list we have online business and side hustle. So let's say that you want to talk about side hustles on your YouTube channel. You're going to be in a position to make $15 up to $20 for every 1,000 views that you're going to receive on your YouTube channel. Right now I'm going to show you my video that I posted, and on this video I was talking about different side hustles that you can do to start making money. And on this video I generated more than $17 only with 1,500 views. You can see here, this is really not normal to make such amount with such very few amount of views. So if you're really interested on that, I really encourage you to go ahead and start posting videos about side hustles and different online business and you can start making such amount of money. So let's go to the next one. Alright, so now we have real estate. So if you're really interested in topics like how to sell, how to buy, and how to invest, topics like this, there are a lot of property companies that they are looking for customers online. So the only thing that they can do to get these customers is to place their ads on video like this in order for them to get a lot of customers. So they are paying a lot of money to different creators who are talking about investment, who are talking about real estate and all that. So these are topics that can generate you reasonable amount of money. So these topics RPM is always around $10 up to $14 per 1,000 views. So let's say that your video is going to get more than 2,000 views. That means you'll be making $80 per 2,000 views that you are going to receive from a given video. So let's go to the last one. So this is the last one, and the very good thing about this is that anyone can do this as long as you have your mobile phone, as long as you have laptop, as long as you have camera, or any product that you want to review and post it on YouTube, topic like this. So if you're going to review and post anything about technology, anything associated to these things, you may receive $80 per 1,000 views up to $12 per 1,000 views. So these topics are very good topics, and you can earn a reasonable amount of views. So let's say that you are going to get at least 100k views on your channel in a month. That means you'll be in a position to make more than $100 just by posting topic like this, just by explaining things, how to use a given product, how to use laptop, or how to use a mobile phone and all that. If you want to post about tech tutorials, you want to go ahead and start making reasonable amount of money, because the RPM is always around $80 up to $12. Sometimes it can go up to $15 per 1,000 views that you're going to receive on these topics. So the last one that we have right now is entertainment. The good thing about entertainment niche is that it's very easy for you to go ahead and post any video about entertainment, about this artist and other people who are famous, and you can get a reasonable amount of views in a very short time. It's very easy to get high amount of views on topics like this, because a lot of people, they're interested to watch topics like this, but the RPM is way down. It can be around $4 per 1,000 views that you're going to receive. So you need to get at least a lot of views for you to make a reasonable amount of money. But sometimes it varies. It just depends on the people that are watching your videos, where are coming from. So if they are coming from America, your RPM can start within at least $2 up to $4. But if they are not coming from America, they are coming from Africa, that means your RPM can be way down. If you really want to talk about entertainment, you really don't have to think about having high RPM, because not many advertisers are willing to pay a lot of money to this niche. So you can end up making at least $2 up to $4 per 1,000 views that you're going to make on your given channel. I just want to say one thing. It's very important for you to understand that you really don't have to work very hard to make reasonable amount of money on YouTube. You just have to work smart. You just have to build this audience that is going to trust you and is always gonna be there to watch your different videos and all that. And after that, you can make a reasonable amount of money. So I really encourage for you to choose wisely which topic that you think is very good for you and can generate enough amount of money for you. And as for me, that's the reason I decided to switch from entertainment, and right now I'm more based on this niche. I'm talking about how to make money online and stuff, because this niche, I saw the potential for me to come here and start talking about how to make money online and everything about money, because this niche is really paying good. And I really hope that you're going to choose wisely which niche you think it will be really good for you, and you're going to make a lot of money through that niche. With that being said, I just want to say that have a good luck on your YouTube channel, on your YouTube journey, and may God bless you. You're going to be very successful YouTuber. Just don't give up. Keep working really hard. Just keep showing up every single week. You post your video and go back to work. Do that. And at the end of the time, you're going to be succeed. So thanks so much, and I really hope to see you next time. Thank you.